Georgia, Southern County in North Central Georgia, Northeastern Weather County in West Central Georgia, Northern Pike County in West Central Georgia, Northwestern Monroe County in Central Georgia, Southwestern Henry County in North Central Georgia, Southwestern Buck County in Central Georgia, Southeastern Columbia County in West Central Georgia, Northern Lamar County in West Central Georgia, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Chapel Mill, 8 miles east of Griffin, moving west at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, Zeeland, Peachtree City, Sonoy, Milner, Brooks, Williamson, Harrisburg, Turin, Orchard Hill, Harrison, Woolsey, Sunnyside, East Griffin, Stars Mill, Walkerville, Hollandville, Human, Grover, and Liberty Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a